What is up, gang? I am back with another video, and we're gonna be doing karaoke, and that is what the video is called, as you can see over the top. Alright, so first she's gonna be singing, then I'm gonna sing. We're gonna be taking turns, and we're gonna see who's singing.
You gotta go pee.
Well, no, we're not.
Hurry up, go pee, go pee.
And we're gonna be showing the squishies. Alright, so let's get back to the video. And
Help him, we gotta go pee. So we're back with the video.
Sport.
Hey, put that thing in sport.
Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all the squishies. Here go.
Okay.
Here goes a squishy right here.
And that.
It's cute.
What is up to my gang? What is up
like it.
to my squad? And I'm back with another freaking video.
I'm gonna show you the other one.
So as you can see by the title, we're doing karaoke day. Because today is Christmas and we decided to do karaoke. So we gonna have the words up on the top.
Jump. Hurry up. Limbo, limbo, limbo. Limbo, limbo, limbo.
Okay, you finna make my baby. Okay, so we gonna have
Leave that
words.
Barbie thing alone, Jaleel.
Words. Like we gonna have songs of words on the TV. Okay? Okay. So I got my X book.
So as y'all can see, I showed you the first one. Now I'm gonna show y'all the next one.
Hey Jamira fans.
It's like a tic tac.
Hi Jamira fans. Her fam. Hey, look at little curls over there cooking up the pillow.
Alright, I'm gonna give a shout out to one of my friends.
I'm gonna give a shout out to one of my friends who mostly like my videos. Now I'm not saying the people who like my videos. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying that if y'all like more, I'll give y'all a shout
Go up there with
out.
the left.
That's what I'm saying. So basically, I'm gonna give a shout out to that person.
It's Cupcake Swirl 08.
Alright, so I'm gonna get the mic back to her. Here you go.
Hold that. Okay. Hold it. Alright, here go a tic-tac-toe one.
Don't mess with that, y'all.
Well, I mean, it looks like tic-tac-toe.
Come on.
It's a box with lines. I don't know what it
Lindsay,
is.
stop.
It's just a squishy though.
Cute. Oh.
I'm about to show y'all this one. This is the icing. With,
Watch out. Go
well,
sit
actually,
down.
this is a Jello
Go
with some,
sit down, baby.
with some strawberry icing on top. It's cute.
Look.
Like this is the part of the face, and well, this is the face right here. But it's cute though. Pink and white and black. Hey, don't squish me! I'm gonna eat you.
Hey,
What?
This controller not working.
Sorry to hear you did.
Come on, let's do this. Make
What the other one? And I'm gonna show y'all this one. It's cute though. More y'all rare things. But this is cute. See?
cute drawings. I need the microphone.
That was a fail. Try again.
Oh,
Got it. This is a marshmallow.
Just for a little bit.
And let me show you what shopping this could go with.
Bro, our Xbox ain't working, bro.
Marshmallow. I took this down. I don't know why, but I'm put it back in.
I don't know why she said eh.
And so this could go with
But
it. It's so
now
cute.
we did the video game.
And here go my little bag.
brother. That's the best in the whole wide world. But you. Okay. So guys, the TV's not working. So we did that video. So the TV's not working. I'm gonna show you this heart. It's up in the club. Man, we see up in the club. Wow. Oh, yeah. So I guess I'm just gonna be singing my own songs. Oh yeah, you spit all on the mic, boy. Okay. Alright, here's the. So, what should I say? The one I got spilled on. If I hit it, no. Stop your leaves. Bad butt. Alright, so bad butt. Hey, bad butt. Hey, bad butt. Hey, bad. That's dirty to me. Somebody help me! Oh, my baby. Okay. So I accidentally knocked the karaoke machine over because I got tangled up in it. Because she did it on purpose. No, I didn't. Okay. So next song is what is it? What is it? Really? You're going fish, but it's not like really. I mean, really, leg. I said leg. Well, it's not like you said the N word. Right, but it's squishy, but it doesn't rise. Liquor. I want some liquor. So you just rise up right. So that's the
off the windows, reindeer had a very shiny nose. If you would ever see him, you would, girl, you be like this. You be like, through the weekend, go you got out.
That's you, so don't sit there and laugh at me. You can't be laughing because you don't even know how to sing. Cause I'm blending in with the dark. You too. No, I'm not.
Oh, okay. What?
Ice.
I'm taking this.
Hey!
Okay. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny.
Okay. It's a
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. If you would ever see him, you would even say it close.
I just want to
All the other reindeers always laughed at him. All the other reindeers wouldn't let him join in any reindeer games. All the other. Okay, so
after this, I'm
jingle
going to
bells, jingle all the way. How much fun it is to ride in a one-horse jingle bells, why are y'all playing with my case? Y'all about to make me mad, then I'm gonna set your road way. Alright,
here's a foot.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. How much fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle. I want y'all to say hey.
And they
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. How much fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What horse on it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey! She keep messing up.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. One horse open his sleigh in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. One horse open
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. I'm doing the footwork. Hey, footwork. Hey, your footwork on the footwork. Oh, my thing is not dead. And I've been on this for a long time. Okay. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All my family is here. I know I'm so fit. Slay. Hey! You're ugly out here. Jingle bell,
That's my little baby.
No. So we got this big squishy. Let her sing first. And you can sing after her. Okay? Voice. That is my sister. So you can't feel my sister. Because you will get beat up if you can't to my sister. I don't play about my sister. I will put you up on the street. Sing together. Hold it like this, Lizzie. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle. Lacey, let him sing with you. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. On the Father's Day. Hello. Hi. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. I'm the heart, wonderful the day. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Okay, so this is the heart. Hey, jingle bell, after all this noise. I'm the heart, but don't be loud and real. Jingle bell, all the way. And my turn now. Jingle bell. Okay. My turn. I have this cupcake. Let her do it. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Okay, I have this cake. One another day. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, we're going to the heart. One another day. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, okay, later. Why are y'all putting your mouth on it? That is so trifling. My turn. Okay, so this cat. What is this song? Like, we doing squishies with it. Hey, all of my time, I don't always. Hey, Shady was saying that, and I'm trying to do what she doing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P. Next, you gotta tell them everything about it. W, X, Y, L, D, M, E, C, D, E, D, game, A, U, think, A, U, name. That's my turn. It's my turn. Alright, so this video is over. I'll be back with another video. Be quiet. Comment down below if you like this video. Let her use this microphone real quick. Okay? So comment down below if you think these squishies are cute. Well, I think they're cute because they're amazing. So, yeah. So, bye. Watch out for the next video. So, yo.